Welcome to my YouTube channel Exploring Academia. Qualitative data analysis delves into the rich tapestry of human experience, revealing the nuances, complexities, and lived realities that quantitative data often overlooks. It's like putting on a detective hat, meticulously examining every thread and stitch to uncover the deeper meaning woven within. In this short video, I briefly explain how to analyze qualitative data. Here I briefly explain. 1. What is qualitative data analysis? 2. How to analyze qualitative data. What are the key points to keep in mind while analyzing qualitative data? First of all, I explain what is qualitative data analysis. Qualitative data analysis is a systematic, iterative and interpretive process used to analyze non-numerical data, typically collected through methods such as interviews, focus groups, observations or open-ended surveys. This type of analysis aims to uncover and understand the underlying meaning, patterns, and themes within the data, providing rich insights into the social, cultural, psychological, or experiential aspects of a phenomenon. It involves coding the data, identifying patterns, and developing themes to uncover the underlying meanings and insights within the information collected. Its flexibility and ability to capture nuanced aspects of human experiences make it a valuable method for exploring complex phenomena in depth. How to analyze qualitative data. Analyzing qualitative data is a stimulating activity, but it used to be daunting at times. Here I explain the qualitative data analysis for you in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Immerse yourself in the data. Before you start diving deep, take some time to simply soak in the data. This is like getting to know a new place before exploring it in detail. Here's how you can do this. Read and reread your data, whether it's interview transcripts, observation notes, or open-ended survey responses. Spend time familiarizing yourself with the raw material. Pay attention to emotions, nuances, recurring themes and patterns. Organize your data, group similar data points together, highlight key quotes, and create summaries to get a bird's-eye view of your findings. Tools like spreadsheets or qualitative data analysis software can be helpful here. Step 2. Ask questions and develop codes. Now that you are comfortable with the data, it's time to start asking questions. What are the main themes emerging from the raw data? What are the participants' experiences telling you? To answer these questions, you'll need to develop a coding system. Break down your data into smaller units. This could be individual sentences, paragraphs, or even specific words. Each unit will become your unit of analysis. Assign codes to each unit. These codes represent key concepts or ideas that you find in the data. For example, you might code a quote about feeling overwhelmed as work stress or burnout. Refine your codes as you move forward. As you analyze more data, you may need to adjust your codes or create new ones. The goal is to have a system that captures the richness and complexity of your data. Step 3. Identify patterns and themes. Once you have coded your data, it's time to step back and look for the bigger picture. What are the patterns and relationships emerging from your codes? How do they connect to your research questions? Find a plausible answer to it. Look for recurring codes. Which codes appear most frequently? What do they tell you about the overall sentiment or experience of your participants? Group related codes into categories, sub-themes and themes. Themes are broader categories that capture the essence of several codes. For example, several codes about feeling overwhelmed, frustrated, and unsupported might all be grouped under the category of job dissatisfaction. Then group them into sub-themes and then overarching themes. Explore the relationships between themes. How do different themes connect to each other? Are there any surprising or unexpected relationships? Step 4. Make meaning of your findings. The final step is to interpret your findings and draw conclusions from your analysis. What do your results tell you about your research question? How do they contribute to the existing knowledge in your field? 1. Compare your findings to your research questions. Did you answer the questions you set out to answer? If not, what new questions emerged from your analysis? 2. Consider the limitations of your study. No research is perfect, so acknowledge the limitations of your study and how they might have affected your results. 3. Share your findings with the outside world. Write a report, present your findings at a conference, or publish your research in a journal. Remember, analyzing qualitative data is an iterative process. You need to go back and forth between steps as you gain new insights and refine your understanding of the data. But by following these steps and staying open to the possibilities, you can turn your qualitative data into rich and meaningful findings. What are the key points to keep in mind while analyzing qualitative data? Analyzing qualitative data can be rich and rewarding, but it also requires a unique approach compared to quantitative methods. Here are some key points to keep in mind as you embark on this journey. Embrace subjectivity. Recognize that your own experience and biases will influence your analysis. Be transparent about your positionality and strive for reflexivity throughout the process. Acknowledge the subjectivity of your participants' data as well. Their individual perspectives and stories are central to your findings. Analyzing it helps you understand your participants' mindset and behavior, which ultimately helps you develop a better understanding of the data. Focus on process, not numbers. Qualitative data analysis is less about generalizing to larger populations and more about understanding the nuances of individual experiences. It refers to the words or labels used to describe certain characteristics or traits. This provides answers to the why or how behind the data analysis. Look for patterns, themes, and connections within your data, rather than seeking to quantify or statistically analyze it. Be inductive and flexible. Allow your research questions to evolve as you analyze the data. Be open to new insights and emerging themes that your data might surprise you with. Avoid forcing data into preconceived categories or trying to fit it into rigid research frameworks. Prioritize rigor and transparency. Ensure your analysis is systematic, documented, and well-reasoned. Keep detailed notes, track your coding decisions, and justify your interpretations. Consider using intercoder reliability techniques and member checking to enhance the validity and trustworthiness of your findings. Tell a compelling story. The data here is typically text-based, descriptive, and unstructured. Use effective language, vivid examples, and evocative quotes to present your findings in a clear and engaging way. Conclusion? Qualitative data analysis is a flexible and dynamic process, allowing researchers to explore and uncover intricate details in a way that quantitative methods may not capture. It emphasizes the importance of context, participant perspectives, and the researcher's reflexivity in shaping the understanding of the studied phenomenon. It is an iterative process. It is important for you to embrace the complexity and refine your approach as you progress. By keeping these key points in mind, you can navigate this journey with confidence and uncover the rich insights hidden within your data. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.